Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum. And today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette. Really sharp looking red. This one, you can see it's not perfect, but it's really close. I mean, this is a 94 Vette. This exterior looks beautiful. You're gonna find minor things here and there, but nothing I would complain about. Really gorgeous. And this one has, I believe, 44,000 original miles on it too. So for us to get the 90s to 2000s, the car either has to have low miles and or something super special about it right now. And this one just, it's a beautiful looking car. Low miles for a 94. Yeah, I love it. All right, so as I'm getting in, just go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself post a video. And then we're done, go on over to volocars.com, and that's where Jay has this whole write-up about it, 100 or so more pictures, and then the selling price. See, overall this is really nice, comfortable. Little wear and tear on the seats. It's just to the point where it's comfortable. It's kind of not too stiff. I'm not seeing any tears or anything in the dash. It does have the top in the back, stores right there nicely. I did notice there's a little bit of wear on the driver door. You can tell they've been opening and closing it there, but with 44,000 original miles, I'm not going to complain about that. All right, let's start it up. Digital speedometer, fuel gauge there, yeah, 44,233 miles. Tachometer went up. Looks like all the other gauges are working. Engine temp will start going up a little more. I just drove it down to the parking lot. Now, I work in the shop, and so this is my first time or anyone's first time getting in and actually driving, and I noticed that it had a couple alerts, so I'll pass it on to the guys back there. We'll get through, service that, make sure it's good to go. The radio,
if we can get
radio works, has the electric seats. Nice little feature. All right, so let's just go ahead and take it out. So we're gonna start off just kind of driving it around a little, getting the feel for it, like that tilt wheel. And then later in the video, I will open it up, kind of give it a little kick in the butt. Feels nice and solid. Drive straight. Real smooth, and if you're just cruising, it's nice and quiet. Play in the steering wheel. Brakes feel correct. Power steering smooth. I love the Corvette control. You're low with the wide base, and so you can take turns and not have to worry kind of really skidding off unless you're totally hauling balls, but you always feel in contact. That V8 gets up and go. All right, we'll go down here. I'll leave it in drive, well, actually overdrive, and see what it does. And then once we turn around up here, I'll shift to it manually. See if we can get on a little. Whoa, that gets loose. Really easy to control. Now that's fun right there. So if you get it and you find your old country road somewhere, or kind of one that's off the sticks, you want to get on it, definitely have that power to. Like you saw at the beginning, if you mash it, those tires or the wheels, you can burn them. I won't cut this person off. I'll actually turn it around like this. Like I said, now I'll actually shift through them manually. Get a little bit of space between us. Go 0 to 70 pretty quick. And I wasn't even necessarily mashing it all the way to the floor. Oh, what a fun, beautiful car to drive. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Like I said, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. And you can see all the pictures, the pricing, the specs of this and all of our cars that we have for sale. And go ahead and give sales a call, because this one will probably be moving quick too. All right, appreciate you.